this video, I'll be sharing footage taken from Jamaica, featuring my mom preparing Jamaican cherry punch. So stay tuned and watch what I want. In 1991, my grand aunt gave my family a cherry plant. This cherry tree didn't grow more than 2 feet because of where it was planted, beside a shade tree. Now, a shade tree is a crossbreed between a grapefruit and a navel orange. Something us Jamaicans would call ugly cousin. As a shade tree grew, its crown blocked the cherry tree's sunlight. Then in the year 2000, I engrafted the cherry tree and got 3 cherry plants from it. It became fruitful in abundance and has been a family staple ever since.
How is the Jamaican cherry different from the cherries that are grown outside of the Caribbean?
With the Jamaican cherry, its seed is unpluckable, with vein-like roots dispersed throughout the fruit. With a fruit like that, straining is an effective way to separate the cherry pulp and juice from the seed. The Jamaican cherry is good for relieving headaches, pain, inflammation, and protecting the overall health of the body. For more videos like this, subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you can get videos instantly as I upload them.